Well, hello. This is how I'm going to ship these worm castings from the March YMCA Worm Farming Workshop. I had people put their names down. So the castings are in this bag. There's a lot of air holes just to let some air be in there. So don't be alarmed if you find a worm. There could still be cocoons in here, but that's part of the life of sifting worm castings. But all you have to do is apply these castings to the base of your plants just a little bit. A little goes a long ways. It will slow release into your garden soil and give your plants some rich fertilizer. Once again, thank you, YMCA, for allowing me the opportunity to share this workshop with you and everyone that attended. But if you want to learn more about worm castings, here's another video for you to check out. I'll definitely see you in the next one.